Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening wherever you are. Today is a very special day because it marks the first anniversary of Living in Grace, Living Your Best Life Now. Believe it or not, it has been 52 weeks till this day that I launched my first book called Living in Grace, Living Your Best Life Now. 52 weeks ago on this day, I sat here and discussed with you about the book to launch it. And shortly afterward, it became a bestseller, #1 on Amazon in the United States, in Canada, and in Australia. And it has been an amazing journey for me and the whole Lyceum team that going through the following 52 weeks, delivering lots of different Grace training programs, Grace foundational courses, Grace Vietnamese courses, Grace workshop, and all kinds of presentation to introduce the concept of Grace to the world. Firstly, I want to take this opportunity to sincerely thank you, all of my friends, families, colleagues, especially my Lyceum team with all the EI, emotional intelligence coaches that has been partnering with me throughout the year to deliver multiple workshops, webinars, especially online programs specializing living in grace, and also helping me to shape the vision of how to spread the message of grace throughout the globe. My heart's full of love and gratitude thinking about all of your contribution and helping and supporting to make this happen till this day. But above all, I really want to take this opportunity to truly honor and acknowledge the embrace of grace from my students. It just blew my mind when seeing all the transformation happen to students from around the world. The stories of Wendy King from South Africa, how you took grace into your heart, living with grace, and then helping your sister and the whole extended family going through COVID successfully, just by practicing grace, breathing, all the strategies that you got from the foundational course. It's just amazing to see how you actually embodying grace in your life and become a light to your family in South Africa. It's amazed me to see lots of my Vietnamese students who went through the grace class in Vietnamese, and especially throughout the really critical period of the pandemic. And you became the resource for the family. You became a light. You became the source of energy that everybody anchor on so that you can go through the pandemic successfully. It truly warmed my heart. And I cannot thank you enough for believing in grace, believing in a very simple and yet powerful model to help you to navigate through life, to truly live life to the fullest, live your best life every moment. You don't have to wait until you finish some kind of goal, achieve some kind of goals in order to live your best life. You can live every moment in your life as your best life moment if you practice and embodying the values of grace. And with that, I sincerely thank you. In the past year, there have been several countless people who came and support, the donors who support the funding for Grace Scholarship for the teenagers in Vietnam. There have been countless people who come and support in our webinars, in our series to support the community on how to cope with COVID through the mindset of grace. And with all of the support, the team of people, volunteers that have been helping and supporting us going through this, my sincere thanks. as Thanksgiving holiday in Canada already going on, and upcoming Thanksgiving holiday in the upcoming months, November, I just want to send you my sincere love and gratitude to everyone who has been somehow crossed my path. And I had the chance either to serve you or to work alongside with you, or just have a conversation. And I learned as much from you as much as you get something from me and from the courts. With that, my sincere thanks. And to show the appreciation to everyone, I would love to invite you first, if you are living in Houston, come and join me to have a meet and greet at a book signing event at the Cuppo Coffee and Tea, located in on Jones Road, which is in Jersey Village area, from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. on Saturday, October 23rd, which is this coming Saturday. Now, if you're not in town, you're not in Houston, and you're around the world, then this is a gift that I would like to give you. Starting from today until October 24th, you can download the Amazon ebook with the price of $0, which means a free ebook. It's a gift from me to you as a token of appreciation for your support and your love, and also your embracing the values of grace. So you can visit our website at dranhlan.com/book. And wherever you are, there's a link that you can click on so you can download and purchase the book for $0 from October 20th until October 24th. And if you are in Houston, I look forward to welcome you at this meet and greet. The first 30 people who purchased the special edition book that I had at the on-site will also have a complimentary cup of coffee. And let me tell you, the coffee at this Cuppo coffee and tea place is wonderful. So you can pick a choice of either tea or coffee alongside with the book when you purchase the first 30 books. So I look forward to seeing you there. And again, once again, thank you so much for all of your support and your love, and above all, your belief in the values of living in grace. I'm here to serve you. I love you. I appreciate you. And I wish you the best in the upcoming days. Living in grace. Thank you.